Hi guys, I am back with a new video. I had to take some time off for school, but now I am back and I am super excited. I missed you all and I hope you missed me too. In this video, we are going to be creating this gorgeous makeup look. So first, I'll be starting with my eyebrows. And I decided to film this part of this tutorial because I get questions about eyebrows a lot, also from you guys and from my friends. I see the way my friends draw their brows and I'm like, what the hell is going on? So I decided to film this part of this tutorial. It might not be detailed enough because I have some detailed eyebrow tutorial up on my channel, but if you want an updated routine, then do let me know and I'll do that for you guys. I'm not trying to make anybody feel bad or put anybody down, but I understand the struggles of filling and drawing your brows because it took me a very long time to get here with my eyebrows, and it took a lot of practicing and also trying out some different things to know exactly what I want with my brows. And I'll tell you, keep practicing till you get where you want to be. So I'm just using two brow pencils for my eyebrows today. Okay, so I skipped the part where I use concealer to define my brows, but this part is needed because I need to tell you guys to clean under your brows to really blend in the concealer so there are no harsh lines, guys. Just blend in the concealer, take your time so that there are no harsh lines and everything is blended with your foundation. So I'll just use my beauty blender to apply my concealer and blend it in. I also forgot to apply my lip balm, and that is what I'll be doing here because we don't want any dry lips. Okay, so now I'll be using my blush as usual as a transition shade. You guys have probably seen that blush on my channel, on my videos a lot. I don't know why I pick that blush every time, but I love it so much. It's from Glam's makeup and it's a pretty nice blush color. So I'll be using that as a transition shade, wipe off the excess product, and then pick up my contour shade. This will be my contour shade for the outer part of my eyes. So guys, I'll just layer this on the V part of my eyes and then blend it into the same transition shade. So that is what I'll be doing. So most of the color will be at the outer V and then blend the remaining on the brush into the transition shade, and that will just make everything look beautiful. I would say just work with any makeup product that you have. It doesn't really need to be what I am using because most of the products I'll be using might be Nigerian products and some might be foreign. So you just need to work with any product that you have. What I would place much importance on is the technique of how you place those products, the technique of how you blend in your eyeshadow, the technique of how you blend in the different shimmer shades that you'll be using, the technique of how you blend in your foundation. That is what I would say should be important to anybody, not really the product that I am using, but the technique that I'll be using. For a pro finish, you need to pick a new blending brush, a clean blending brush, and use that to blend out any harsh lines. Okay, now moving on to foundation. If you are wondering why your foundation doesn't look good, it looks crazy, it might be how you applied it. Are you swiping the product? Are you dragging the product with your beauty blender or your brush? Or are you tapping? Are you dabbing it on your face? You should tap in the product and not swipe down or swipe up or swipe left the product. You are meant to tap in the product in the areas that you want it to be, and that is one of the tricks of having a good foundation base. That is one of the trick if you want a good foundation base. So now moving on to contour, I'm just going to contour under my cheekbones, my nose, and also my forehead. While in school, I noticed the way beautiful ladies apply their foundation, and it was so wrong. They were swiping in the product and not tapping in the product, and it would create lines and streaks on your face, and it wouldn't look good. That is why I said pay attention to the techniques YouTubers use, beauty gurus, professionals use, and not the makeup products. It's more of the techniques and the way they apply these beauty products that really matter to me, and that is how I see it. You might have a different view from that. For me, when it comes to concealer, less is more. So I apply a little bit of concealer just to highlight my face a little bit and also cover up the dark circles under my eyes. I also take my time to really blend in the concealer. I look up and I blend under my eyes and make sure it is really blended. I haven't worn this much makeup for some months now. I have really been keeping it natural when it comes to my makeup. While I was in school, I kept it really simple and quick. That was what I did. But now we are back to doing full beat, full glam, full face makeup look, and I am so excited to be back. I really missed being here on YouTube, creating content, putting everything together, editing, uploading, and just getting the response from my beautiful subscribers. It is really exciting, and I really missed being here. So after applying the liquid products, your foundation, your concealer, you need to set in those products so they stay all day and they don't move or crease. So I'll be setting my foundation with some powder and also apply my blush. And then for my eyes, to complete the look, I'll pick up my blending brush and apply the two shades that I used for my eyes, which is the transition shade and the contour shade, and I'll just apply that under my eyes. But if this isn't your thing, you can definitely skip this and apply a little bit of mascara, and then you are good to go. You don't need to apply this under your eyes. I'm just doing this just to like spice it up and just put everything together. I am going to apply this highlighter to open up my eyes and complete the high look. Also, I'm going to apply highlighter at the eye points of my face, my nose, my cheekbones. Now, moving on to the lips, I'll be using a lip brush to apply this shade. This year 2021 is coming to an end, and I am super grateful to God for keeping us till this time, for his blessings and every good thing that we experienced this year. I am also thankful for the lessons that I learned when it comes to life, it comes to myself, it comes to YouTube. I am super grateful for everything. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about God. I learned a lot about my business here on YouTube, So many things to be grateful for, and I am also excited for next year, and I commit it into the hands of God. So this is the finished look, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.